Ready? We don't like green beans, but we're going to try them again today. Open up. Oh, not already. That's... It's like you smell them and you start that. Okay, we're going to do it anyway. Open up. I know. Just try it. Just try it. Okay, that's just drama. You can try them again. That's just drama. Oh, Lord. Okay, we'll mix them with some sweet potatoes, but you're eating your green beans. This is going to be a staple in your life, son. So the sooner you submit, the better.
He needs, just give him a couple more spoonfuls of green beans.
Okay. Hold on. Just let me get this ready.
He's looking at it mean.
All right. It doesn't make you choke. One more. One more. I just don't want him to stop opening his mouth for me when he eats. Pitiful. Pitiful. How about a little mix? See if we can psych you out a little here. Okay.
He just ate the...
Okay. These are your favorite. Johnny Drama. Here. You don't know what to do, huh? Because you love your sweet potatoes, but you don't like your green beans. Okay. You like that mix? Huh? Okay. Getting better. Okay. Now we're really wanting them. Ooh. Oops. Oh. Must not be too bad. Oh, there we go.